Welcome to a new video. We are in Mombasa with my daughter Sama for another trip. We're going to be staying at Neptune Beach Hotel. We flew here with Jambojet and the flight was amazing. It was a very smooth flight. Sama played games on the flight. Yes? Yes. Oh no, pick beautiful up. Yes, so my daughter is quite happy and excited. Everything was very smooth. My worries that I had in the beginning of this video were null and void because there was zero mandamano in Mombasa, which is so good. So anyway, I'm excited to be here. We've had our welcome drinks. We've been welcomed with some dancing. I can't wait to see our rooms. We're going to be shown our rooms shortly by the team. First things first, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I do hope that you want to stay at the end of this video. If you've been here, thank you so much for being here and for being a subscriber. You are the reason my channel is going strong. Before we get started, let's hit the channel intro. Are you ready?
Yay!
Yay!
Is that our room?
No.
Like
Let's go. Let's go here. Let's follow the lady.
Is that our room?
No, we're going in the lift. Yeah. Be careful.
Oh! Ow!
I'm hurting you. Sorry. Okay. Enter.
M-M-E-R.
Yes. Can you write it?
S.
That is true, baby. We practiced S.
Yes.
The other way around.
That's like this.
No.
Okay.
U.
S. Okay. She's moved on.
M.
Uh-huh.
M.
E.
E.
R.
Ah. Let's go.
Yeah, we're going, baby.
So we have 3 floors. You're in second floor, the rest are in third.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
Where's my baby?
That's so beautiful.
Go to mommy.
That's beautiful. That looks beautiful too.
So, I'll tell you in that room. Are these
Okay.
yours?
Yes, these are mine.
Mimi go na wewe uko huko. Naja kukukaribisha.
Wow. This is pretty. So big. It has a balcony.
You know I'm sweating?
You're sweating?
Yeah.
We need to change your clothes. I like this. We have like 2 beds. That's interesting. Ooh, we have welcome fruits. Nice. Do you like it? You have to remove your shoes.
I did.
Okay, remove the socks too. The socks are yucky.
That's right.
Look at them. Look what color they are.
This is so much. Mama, I have never been to Mombasa. It's so much fun being in Mombasa.
It is so much fun. You like Mombasa?
Yeah.
That's good. That's a lamp. Maybe this one?
Yeah.
Kwani hakuna stima kwa hii room? Hakuna stima. So we finally checked into our room. We are at room 204. This is a very beautiful room. So we're going to be doing a quick, fast room tour if my daughter will allow me. So the first thing you see when you open the door is this door over here right in front of me, which leads to the bathroom. And it's a really nice big bathroom. It's a shower with a nice rain head sort of setup, a place to put your soap. They give you towels for wiping yourself. And we have a sink over here and the water closet over here. Really nice setup. I really love it. Do you like the sink, baby?
Yeah, and go to show you how you wash the toilet.
Okay. So now that I've exited the bathroom, I have met my daughter over here screaming, and we go into the bedroom area. So the first thing you see is this nice TV where you can watch some stuff. I'm not sure what they show on the TV yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be checking it out. Over here we have a fridge. Let's see, does it have anything inside? No, it doesn't. So I'm assuming you buy your own stuff and put them in the fridge, which is great. I'm actually going to use it to put Summer's medicine bag because it's a bit hot here. Over here we have the closet with a safe. So it's an open concept closet. There's no doors. They have some hangers. The AC is above us. And behind me we have the bed. Summer, stop calling people. Summer, stop calling people. Put Summer. Hang up. Hang up, Summer. And over here we have the bed area with my daughter who is screaming so loudly that as you can see, the bed is very huge enough for her to do her own thing. They have attached to it a single bed. I'm not sure why. I know, I wish you could stay for more days too. Okay, and then we have this, man, you're eating my energy. Then we have this connecting door. So this room, I'm assuming, is very good for families. No, it's locked, baby. Don't try to open it. This room, I'm assuming, is very good for families. You can stay here and have your family on the other side of the room, or like a nanny, or you can be the room for your kids, and then the nanny is in the next room, or the parents here and the kids in the other room, so that you can connect and just watch over each other during your stay here. Then we have the vanity area with a kettle, water, coffee, sugar cups, and a really lovely mirror. And over here, Sama, please stop calling people. Stop it. You can't call your friends. Only mobile phones can call your friends, okay? Then we have this sitting area over here, which is really nice. I'm assuming you can just open these doors and enjoy a lovely morning sitting, talking, chatting with whoever you're staying in with the room. Then we have a lamp there, and we're going to proceed to the balcony area. If I can unlock it. Unlocked. Yeah, go wash your hands first. Go wash your hands. So this is the end of the room tour in this lovely big balcony with two chairs and a table. Yes, baby?
I have this room.
You love this room? That's good, baby girl. So I really love this balcony. You can just come here and sit. Though they have said, please, please do not feed the monkeys. So there are monkeys that come to this room. Oh my Lord, please. I cannot handle monkeys. Meaning you just keep the door closed. Keep the door closed and pray for the Lord to protect you. But I don't think there's any access for monkeys here, unless they jump all the way from that branch and come here, which they can't make. Yeah, so we'll be leaving the door closed, okay? So now that we finished with the room tour, I'm just going to be taking you along with me on this trip. We're going to be doing a lot of things, a lot of activities, a lot of fun family, mother-daughter activities within Mombasa that you can try out with your family. So see you in the next segment.
Shortly after the room tour, we went for lunch to enjoy the food at Neptune Hotel. It was really delicious in preparation for the activities that we were going to take part in for the rest of the day and the rest of the days to come. So stay tuned. I will be showing you what we'll be up to in the next video on Sunday. For now, peace out. I need to go relax because I don't even have time to edit. Bye.
Oh,